So we're seeing dosti, diplomacy, as well as a lot of participation from the diaspora. The Prime Minister is in France for the visit, and the Indian diaspora has welcomed the Prime Minister, as has now become the tradition. As the Prime Minister goes anywhere outside the country, the Indian diaspora is quite active in not just welcoming the Prime Minister, but there are also several visuals, endearing visuals of the Prime Minister meeting the Indian diaspora as well. So people from Paris and across France had come in to welcome the Prime Minister. So he was welcomed with the Indian diaspora waiting for him to arrive in Paris.
देखो हम कैसे मिलजुल कर रहते हैं। मोदी जी आए हैं। हम बहुत खुश हैं, मोदी जी हमारे देश में आए इधर। हाँ जी, हमने हाथ मिलाया, हम बहुत खुश हैं, बहुत खुश।
मैंने उनसे बात की है कि देश के ये पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं जो सब धर्मों की बात करते हैं, सिख गुरुओं के जन्मदिन मनाते हैं, साहिबजादों के जन्मदिन मनाते हैं और सबको साथ लेके चलते हैं। सबका साथ, सबका विकास। ये पहले प्रधानमंत्री है जो सबके धर्मों के लिए बात करते हैं।
और मैं चौथी दफा मिला हूँ मोदी जी से, मैं चौथी दफा मिला हूँ। मेरे को पहचानते हैं, बोले કેમ છે, मेरे को કેમ છે મને પૂછ્યું છું ગુજરાતીમાં કેમ છે, હું એમને 4 વખતથી ઓળખું છું। ભારત માતા की जय, भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, हमने उनसे हाथ मिलाया, हमें इतना अपनापन लगा उनके साथ कि उन्होंने खुद से हमसे हाथ मिलाया, केम छो बोला, तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। और हम उनके लिए रुके हैं, हमको सपोर्ट करने के लिए एआई समिट के लिए आए हैं। तो बारिश भी इतने बारिश और ठंड है, हाथ ठंडे पड़ गए हैं।
ऐसा लगा मोमेंट फ्रीज हो गया, उनसे हाथ मिला के। बारिश भी हो रहा था, नमस्कार कहा, शुक्रिया कहा, सब कुछ इतना अच्छा मोमेंट रहा।
भगवान उनकी रक्षा करे।
And a warm welcome being extended to the Prime Minister as he arrived in France. Prime Minister Modi and the French President Macron could be seen hugging with a handshake, and of course the dinner also being hosted by the President. So in a bid to strengthen AI governance, the Paris summit aims to focus on a global governance model to make artificial intelligence more inclusive, while also ensuring safe and transparent AI for users across the world. A dinner meeting has been hosted, and J.D. Vance, the U.S. Vice President, also in attendance at the dinner. Senior Consulting Editor Srinjoy Chaudhary on the broadcast with us. Srinjoy, the visuals on our screen have come in previously as well. We've seen time and again when the Prime Minister and the French President meet. It's a meeting of camaraderie, and the AI summit holds a lot of significance globally. What's on the agenda?
Well, first of all, Prime Minister Modi and President Macron are very old friends, and it's very clear that they enjoy working together. They are, as you know, not only working on the AI issues, but they are co-chairs of the Solar Alliance. And the last time the Prime Minister was there, 2 major defense deals were worked out. One, Rafales for the Navy, and also Scorpion sub additional. This year there will no major defense announcements, particularly relating to additional Rafales. What we are hearing from the Defense Ministry and the government is that no additional Rafales will be bought this year, or the announcement for the purchase of new Rafales will not happen this time. So one of the reasons, of course, is Make in India, and therefore this is not likely to happen. But a lot of important things are on the agenda. First of all, the 2 countries are working together on climate change, being heads of the Solar Alliance. That is one. Secondly, as far as Macron and Modi are concerned, they work very well together, and they are both very concerned about several things. One is the spread of terrorism. Secondly, the situation in the world vis-a-vis the war in Ukraine. Thirdly, the problems in West Asia with Israel, Hamas, Hezbollah, and so on. Fourthly, the probability of there being economic problems. Fifthly, President Trump and all the problems that have come vis-a-vis tariffs on. So there will be a lot to discuss as far as...
Okay, a lot to discuss. Just stay with us. Just want to put out for our viewers this picture that has been tweeted by the PMO. You mentioned he's not just meeting the French president, who, remember, in his tweet, he also called a friend. He said, glad to meet my friend Emmanuel Macron. Apart from that, the PMO has also tweeted pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with the US Vice President J.D. Vance. And these are the pictures that have been tweeted. It says Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with President Emmanuel Macron and US VP J.D. Vance in Paris. So these are the pictures seen here. Prime Minister Modi with the French President as well as the US Vice President in these pictures as well. It looks like a conversation that's going on between Macron as well as Prime Minister Modi and the US Vice President J.D. Vance as well seen there. So let's also tell you what's on the agenda. This is a significant visit. The Prime Minister will also, remember, be going to the United States in the second leg of his two-nation tour. Let's talk about the agenda in France. So he will be co-chairing the AI Action Summit with France. And of course, it will lead to the strengthening of the India-France strategic partnership. There's also going to be the inauguration of the first Indian consulate in France. So this is going to be very significant, of a lot of importance for the Indian community in France as well. The first Indian consulate in France is also going to be opened up, so that's going to help the Indian diaspora there. Apart from that, he will also be visiting the thermonuclear experimental reactor project and will also be paying tributes to the war heroes in France. All right, with that, let's get you some reactions that are coming in. Like we mentioned, the Indian diaspora was there to welcome the Prime Minister. In fact, joining us live is Times Now Senior Executive Editor Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan from Washington, D.C. He will help us decode the significance of the overall visit to France and then, of course, to the United States as well. Madhav, the visit of the Prime Minister is going to be very significant in France as well, the AI Summit and a lot more, strengthening India-France ties, after which he will also be headed to the United States. And that's going to be all the more important because this is the first visit after President Trump has returned to the Oval Office.
Well, there are multiple meetings of the Prime Minister with, in fact, French President Emmanuel Macron. And in fact, what we're seeing, in fact, is not just one, but two dinners that the French President is hosting for Prime Minister Modi. There's also very interestingly going to be a visit to the common, science project related to nuclear science, in fact, which a nuclear reactor, in fact, which is being visited by Prime Minister Modi as well. But there is about another 36 hours to go for that visit to conclude. And what is very interesting is that following that AI summit and, of course, all those interactions between the Prime Minister and the French President, is that he will be heading to Washington, D.C., where I'm currently at. And Prime Minister Modi will be perhaps the second biggest global leader to be meeting President Trump in his second tenure. He has right now met with Netanyahu, of course, of Israel, and he is expected to meet with the Japanese PM as well. But Prime Minister Modi, really underlining the kind of relation that not just the two of them have, but the two countries have in terms of, the ties between these two countries. Various areas of cooperation, whether it's security, whether it's technology, whether it is, their own strategic alliance itself. But the point is that there are various issues for the two leaders to also, work out, whether it is tariffs, whether it's issues relating to immigration. And we've seen the kind of controversies domestically when it comes to those who've been deported from the United States. How does this, go on from here? And of course, President Trump has his own issues politically to address as well right after this election. All of this will be interesting to watch out for over the next 48 to 72 hours when PM Modi arrives here in Washington, D.C., the U.S. capital, to meet with President Trump. Well, there are two or three very important aspects that we have to consider. France is a very important partner for India as far as its own defense procurement is concerned. Remember that it is not just the Rafales that we are currently using, the Mirage 2000s that we've had in the past and other, the defense aviation areas have been very, very important as far as India and France's own cooperation is concerned. Even the Scorpion submarine, various helicopter projects in terms of engine development, there have been different areas where France has steadfastly been one of India's closest partners, and internationally speaking as well, in very, very difficult situations, including after India's Pokhran nuclear test. France is one of the few countries that actually stood by India and continues to be one of the most important proponents of even the UN Security Council permanent members' reformation. Given all of that and given the background that the two countries have enjoyed, very, very important to see what is currently taking place. And remember, in the budget, we had seen how Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had announced special initiatives as far as small nuclear projects is concerned. That's something that is very, very important for not just France but also the United States, given that the 2008 Indo-US nuclear deal, which has paved the way, of course, for the possibility of such reactors, but the point of how it will actually be implemented on ground is going to be interesting from not just this France visit point of view but also from the US visit point of view in terms of what will actually happen on ground. So these are some of the important aspects that we are looking at. We will have to wait, of course, for the final outcomes of both of these bilateral meetings to take place and for the final announcements to actually happen.
So the Prime Minister is all set to arrive in the United States, marking the first such visit after Donald Trump took over presidency. In fact, Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan also exclusively spoke to Sri Thanedar, who will tell us the significance of this visit.
We're right outside the Capitol building, and there's much anticipation here in Washington, D.C. as far as the Prime Minister's trip to Washington is concerned. He's, of course, going to be meeting with President Donald Trump. He's amongst the first few world leaders to be meeting Donald Trump in his second tenure as president. To talk about that, I have with me Sri Thanedar, Congressman, joining us. Thank you so much for speaking to Times Now, Mr. Sri Thanedar. Let me begin by asking you, how do you look at this visit of Prime Minister Modi? We do know that Prime Minister Modi and President Trump had a fairly close relationship. There was a lot of bonhomie. We saw Howdy Modi, we saw Namaste Trump, take place. In the second term, do you think that this not just speaks of the personal equations of the leaders, but also how important US thinks of India in the larger scheme of things is?
Oh, absolutely. It's a very, very important visit, very important meeting. Now, Mr. Modi and President Trump, they're good friends. Twice in Houston they met. They also met in India. So there is already a good friendship. But currently Trump is very concerned about tariffs. So there is still some sort of adversarial relationship, I would say, between the two countries now because of the tariff issues. So those need to be sorted out. So this, for that reason, it's important that the Prime Minister is visiting Mr. Trump, and I'm hoping that things get worked out and they built a lasting, strong relationship through this, their third meeting.
Right. Very interesting that you mentioned tariffs straight off the bat, because, there's a perspective that while Trump has been very vocal about, for instance, BRICS countries, he's been very vocal about China, but once he was actually sworn in, the action on China was there, but he rolled back the action on Canada and Mexico. So many are seeing this as more of a positioning or a transactional nature, given that he is, at the end of the day, a businessman and a successful one at that. Would you say that this is more positioning, or do you think there is more to it that meets the eye?
Well, certainly it is positioning, certainly trying to get some leverage on this, but he has expressed concerns about unfair trade practices, and he has spoken about that.
So we get you the most credible voices from the United States and, of course, from France as well, as the Prime Minister is in France, after which he will go to the United States. A lot more expected. We'll be right back after a quick break. Do stay with us.